Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to add custom colors to our swatch table. This will be within FlexiPRINT. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the program here, now the reason why you might want to add custom colors to this swatch table, perhaps you're working on a client's design and they use specific colors. You could every time resample it, but it's way easier just having it here so you can quickly select it and use that. You might also make yourself a custom swatch, and then you want to obviously add colors to it, so this is a great way to go about it. Now what we can do, in my case, I'm just going to make a rectangle here so we have a sample. You can see at the moment it is this orange color because my default was set to orange. Now let's say I wanted to sample this blue from am.co.za. Now if it's an image, we'll have to use the color picker. Otherwise what you could do is you obviously just select this and you can adjust the color if it is design, which in our case it is. But let's pretend like this is the image I've imported, so it doesn't actually read the color on the shape but as an image. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this shape as our base, and then on the secondary toolbar here on the left, I'm going to select our color picker and then click on the blue from the am.co.za. Now you can see we've got our blue selected. I'm just going to go to select tool, so we're off the color picker. Now the next thing I want to do is I can either open our color specs here on the top main toolbar. Let's fix the zoom. Or if you have your fill and stroke editor open, you're going to click on advanced, and then this will open the color specs for us. Now as we can see here at the bottom, we have our color selected, and then we also have the name. So I'm just going to call this AM blue, just so I have the name of the color. Obviously you can go research the actual name, but that's what I'm going to call it for now. Then under the right here, we've got color info, vendor. I'm just going to make this am.co.za so I know which client this is for. Then what I can do, I can say OK, so it updates these changes. Let's do that. Okay, so we've updated the changes. Now if I go back to advanced, all the color specs, then if I had to go under our library, which is the second tab, you'll see we've got here the am blue added. Now it's still not under our color swatch, so in order to do that, I'm going to simply click on the blue. Then on this icon here, I'm going to click add, and that will add it to our color swatch. Now we won't see an update until we say OK. So now as you can see on the bottom here, around this area, there's no blue. If I say OK, there we go, our blue is there. So now the beauty of this is, let's say our default set to something else, and then I create another shape. Now I can simply just click here on the bottom, make it blue, and then it is the correct blue, so I don't have to resample every time. So it saves you a lot of time in the long run if you have these colors set to your swatch. Like I said, this is also very handy if you have a client, like some clients or corporate entities, they have preset colors you have to use on their designs, and it might be multiple ones. So now you can simply add your color swatch. You don't have to worry that you might get it wrong. You know, you can simply just click the shape, click the color, and it is correct. But yeah, otherwise that is it on adding colors to your color swatch. In the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.